Scotty, is this a good shot?
Yeah.
Is this the money shot?
No, that was...
Oh, God.
Yeah. No, that was last night.
That was a salute to service.
Yes, it was. Thank you for your service, Marine Corps, Tyler.
Not Tyler I know.
No, not that Tyler, different one.
But Scotty wouldn't say no.
Anyway.
I'm always willing to take care of our service members. Or service their members, whatever it is.
Jesus.
You're out of control.
Oh, what can I say?
How is it not even 8 o'clock on Monday morning and we're already this far?
Okay, so...
Goofy. Oh, we're just going right on.
We are taking care of Joey's cables.
Yeah, that are rusty crusty.
Yeah. Well, one was good. The other one's completely frozen.
One was okay. The other one's frozen and separated.
I mean, like, completely solid. And if you guys look, this is the stuff that I've got to smack off to undo a clip. One clip.
You were doing some smacking off last night.
Oh, hell yes, I was. I was definitely making sure that our flag was at full salute.
There we go. Scotty playing with poles again.
Right? But isn't that what we're supposed to do? I mean, we're supposed to take care of our service members. They die for our country.
Anyway.
This is going to be an absolute nightmare.
Down here. Ow! Hi! Oh! Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So...
You didn't do that last night.
No, I didn't.
You,
Hey, if you're going to make a comment, just saying.
That's true. Look at that.
Oh, my God.
It moved. I saw it move. Got that going for you. It moved. It moved, yeah.
More...
You're just trying to spin it, huh? What if you take the screwdriver up there and try to pop it?
Yeah, I'm going to try and bend it down and see if I can't get it to spin and turn and move.
God, I'm sorry.
Smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Oh, no, sorry.
I'm shaky because I'm trying to, like, film this and I'm on 3x zoom because that's a heck of a shot, actually.
It was. Thank you for noticing.
Oh, God.
But I'm bump.
All right, so Scotty's going to continue beating off Joey's clip.
Joey, I hope you don't mind, but, buddy, I thought you really needed a good beat off. I mean, yeah, we'll get this taken care of for you. Yeah, that's it.
All right.